We are back with another banger. Oh God. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing my new wig boxes that I ordered. I'm so excited. These are just like some mock-up boxes that I want to start shipping my wigs in, just to give it better transportation. And I'll show you guys what I currently ship my wigs in. So this is definitely not 100% my finished product, but it's a start and I'm ready to open these up. So let me get this down. Open these up. I only ordered about 60, 75 boxes. I can't even remember. But I'll let you guys know who I ordered from. Alright, so here is my box. This is how it comes before, you know, you have to fold it up and make it all nice and neat and stuff like that. So I'm going to get the folding. I got my boxes from a website called Box Up. So I decided to go ahead and try to create my own, and so far so good. I love their formatting. It's a little like old school kind of formatting. They don't really have a lot of options on the website for you to pick from, so you kind of have to come in with your own design. So I wasn't tripping about it. I'm definitely going to have, you know, I already have my own logo and stuff, so it really was no big deal for me. All right, so I'm almost done folding this box. Fold them in, and my flaps last. I'm definitely going to get bigger boxes than this as well. So far, this is my box. It has my website right here in the front, qbwigcollections.com. And of course, QB is the logo. And that's pretty much it. I didn't want to put too much on my box because the box can sometimes be too overwhelming. Nobody needs all of that. They just need to know what business it is and what website it is. So that is what I got so far. The only thing I could say I did not like about Box Up is that this part, which is the bottom of the box, cannot be a certain color, which is dumb to me. I feel like I should be able to color this black just like the rest of the box, but they didn't have that option, and I didn't feel like going back and forth with the company about if I could or if I couldn't. I just ordered the black boxes as they are. So these boxes are 9 by 6 by 4, so they're kind of tall, which is fine. I think I would have ordered maybe like 9 by 8 by 4 or something around those lines, just to make it a little bit bigger, but this will definitely fit a wig inside. It took them about 10 days. Yeah, about 10 to 12 days to ship, and then from there it took about 4 days to get to me. So about 15 days total for me to get the boxes. So I love them so much. I'm so excited. I already have, you know, my first customer here that's going to get this box shipped to her. So I know she's gonna be super excited, and I will give you guys updates on what other materials that I purchased. I purchased so many things for my business, and I can't wait to just share those things with you. So the link to the company boxup.com I will put down below, and the boxes that I got were 9 by 6 by 4 for my wigs. Eventually I'll probably use these boxes to ship my bundles and stuff in, and then I'll use a little bit bigger of a size to ship my wigs in. We'll see how I do it. Maybe I'll just use this size for everything and just not make it complicated. So we will see what happens. So now officially everybody who orders their wigs will get these boxes shipped to them. That way their wig is in the right condition that it should be in when it comes. Let me show you guys what I use to ship my wigs in now. You guys saw my video of me showing you guys these bags. These are poly bags that I ordered. They're about the size of a piece of paper, so 11 by 8 or 11 by 9 ish, and I ship my wigs in these currently. So they're okay, they're fine, they're really sturdy. Everything gets to the customer perfectly fine, but a box would definitely be so much better to get your wigs in. The curls will not be altered at all, the bag won't be smushed at all, and things like that. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. In order to get your wig inside of a QB wig box, just go to my website and order your wig down below, and I will give you guys updates as I go through getting everything for my business. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.